Modoc High Mountain Zippers, lead team of 2017 babies, all bred by me. This is mainly the first and second round, a couple of the third rounds, and the rest of them are in the big kit that you saw before, except for the other, my youngest kit of 2017, which is the last round. But these are the oldest birds, which are doing the best right now. This is the first couple minutes of flight. They haven't even been out 5 minutes yet. You're seeing the beginning of the flight just as well as I am. And these birds rested also for the couple days, so it's going to take a couple of the other birds a little deeper today than normal, but they're getting back into it. So it's taking them a second to try and get back into that kit. Coming up behind the kit right now, if you see. Coming into it. Now they're all in there again and rejoined, so now the action will start again. They always turn to pick up the birds when they roll out. Nice. As soon as I can start I got to get some hairspray and stuff this month, so that way I can start marking the birds in that other big kit, so I can start picking out birds for my B team for the 2018 comps. There's 25 birds in here, so I'll have to pull 5 birds out of here to start the other one, but that's no biggie. I do have one bird laying off to the back or the rear, and that's that. It's a blue bar white flight cock that's really deep, and if I rest him too much, he kind of screws off for the first day or so because he's so deep, and then he gets back into the rhythm of things. Yeah. So I'm getting ready for this year's World Cup prelim flies that we'll be holding in April, I believe it is, if everything goes correct. I don't know quite the date yet, but we'll be getting with you soon, everybody, so that way we can try and pick a date that will help with everybody. Nice. They're all feeling a little froggy from all the extra rest. All 2017 bred Modoc High Mountain Zippers. Come April and May, some of those birds up there will be a year old. I love days like this. Alright guys, you kind of see what it is up here with some Modoc High Mountain Zippers. Y'all have a wonderful day. Stay flying. May your skies be BOP free, and good luck on your guys' comps this 2018 comps, whether you fly club flies, World Cup fly, or the National Championship fall fly for the NBRC. I wish you all luck. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace. That was some snow falling off of the house right here. We got it falling off all over the place. There they are. You have a wonderful day, guys, and enjoy your evening.